Dance with words, mastering Move to the Rhythm. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a vibrant phrase that's music to the ears, move to the rhythm. This expression isn't just about dance. It's a poetic way to speak about life, work, and play. Let's groove together into the meaning and usage of this lively phrase, making sure you can use it confidently in your conversations. At its core, move to the rhythm is a call to action, urging someone to follow the beat or pace of the music. But it's not just limited to literal dancing. This phrase also metaphorically means to go with the flow or adapt to the pace of how things are happening around you. Whether it's adapting to a new environment, working in harmony with a team, or simply living life in tune with your surroundings, move to the rhythm embodies flexibility and harmony. Let's dissect the phrase. Move suggests action, change, or progression. To the implies direction or alignment. Rhythm represents the pattern or pace of something, often music. Together, they encourage someone to align their actions or pace with an external pattern or flow. It's about finding your footing and syncing up with the world's beat, whether that's literal music or the metaphorical pace of life events. This phrase shines in various contexts. In dance, it's a direct encouragement to let loose and follow the music. In work, it might mean to adapt to the pace of a project or team dynamics. In life, it suggests adapting to life's changes and challenges gracefully. Here are a few example sentences. When you're feeling overwhelmed, just try to move to the rhythm of life's changes. Our team succeeded because we learned how to move to the rhythm of each other's workflows. Move to the rhythm also holds cultural significance in various contexts, symbolizing unity, celebration, and the human connection to music and rhythm. It transcends language and cultural barriers, reminding us of the universal joy of music and dance. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, move to the rhythm. It's a beautiful reminder to stay flexible, adapt, and find joy in life's ups and downs. Whether you're literally dancing or metaphorically navigating through life, remember to move to the rhythm of your surroundings. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helps you dance through your English learning journey with ease and joy. See you in the next video.